Hello everyone. Today I want to teach you how to use the last comment here in Spherene inspector, which is called df envelope. So the purpose of this command is to give you the possibility to extract your main envelope from a bigger shaped envelope and change the outer structure and also fill in the necessary points. Okay, so for example, let's say we have a cone here and we are going to go with the density of 40%. Initially, I'm going to compute. It's just simply like that. Click on solid surface and then the colors that I prefer and then compute. So we are going to see the results, and after that, we are going to use df envelope, and then we can compare the results together. Okay. On purpose, I use the high density for this example. So I go to Arctic, I go back to surfaces here, and then, sorry, layers. Then I turn off the unnecessary layers. All right, so this is the structure that I reached. All right, aesthetically, I would say it's beautiful, but what I'm looking for is that it feels all the shape, the whole shape. As you can see, compared to when we have the whole envelope, it is not filling this part. So what can we do technically is to go back to screen. And what I will do is that I'm gonna create a box. You can do whatever you want. You can make a bigger offset of your object or take any other structure that you're looking for. I'm gonna just, to simplify it, grab a box here and then make it bigger than what it should. So I'm gonna drag it a little bit more down. And here it is, my box. Maybe here it can be more expanded. Okay, so this is the box that I have. My main envelope has been already trapped inside of that box. I click on df envelope. It only asks me for df envelope mesh. It has no other setting. I click on that, and this box has been chosen as df envelope already. When you see converting to mesh, means that it's fine. It has already been chosen. Go back to compute, and everything else has been set as I'm looking for, compute, and now we will see the result and we can compare these two results together. Okay, so the computation is over, but you don't see a lot of changes here. Why? Because this box exists here. So I'm gonna go back to layers and I am gonna just turn off the unnecessary lights and views. So I will only keep the solid surface of the last design. And this is an external object. So I go here and hide it. Okay, this is the structure that I got. And as you can see, if I turn on these defaults, it is pretty much filling the whole structure now. The outer side is completely different because this is a cut through out of that bigger DF envelope object. But for some purposes, this option works much better than the normal ADMS.